Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install Voicemeeter Banana in your computer in a very simple way. It's a virtual audio mixer that routes audio between different apps. So how you can simply download it, open any of your favorite browser, convert into the search option and simply search for Voicemeeter Banana. Simple. Click download. And now you're going to get the first website. Click on that, and then if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to get the download option. Click on that, and as you can see, the download has been started. So it will come through a zip folder, so make sure you downloaded it properly. And after complete the downloads, click on the folder icon. Here is a zip folder. So now what you can do here, you can simply select it, click on extract all, extract, and here is your voice meter setup. So if you click on it 2 times to install, click yes for the permission, click install, and you can simply minimize all of your backgrounds app. And now you can see it's installing. It's pretty different from other apps, so you just need to see the go on process. Okay, so now you can see that the installation completed success. You must restart your computer to finalize installation. So what here will be happen, you have to restart your computer to see the app is running on your computer. So make sure you restart your computer, then open it. You're going to find out over here. You can simply search after restart voice. Here it is, this app. So after the restart, you have to open this app and it will going to show you the virtual audio mixer that routes audio between different apps section. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.